वेलकम टू द चैनल एवरीवन। असेसमेंट एंड ऑडिट के पार्ट 4 में हम सेक्शन 65 एंड 66 डिस्कस करेंगे। सेक्शन 65 ऑडिट बाय टैक्स अथॉरिटीज who may conduct the audit, commissioner or any officer authorized by commissioner by way of a general or specific order से किसी भी रजिस्टर्ड पर्सन की ऑडिट कर सकते हैं एंड उसके प्लेस ऑफ बिजनेस और ऑफिस पर फॉर अ फाइनेंशियल ईयर और मल्टीपल्स देयर ऑफ। सेक्शन 65 के अंडर ऑडिट स्टार्ट करने से 15 दिन पहले प्रॉपर ऑफिसर रजिस्टर्ड पर्सन को ऑडिट का नोटिस इशू करेगा। What is meant by commencement of audit? सेक्शन 65 की ऑडिट एक गिवन टाइम फ्रेम में कंप्लीट होनी ज़रूरी है, इसलिए कमेंसमेंट ऑफ ऑडिट टर्म एक इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म है। Commencement of audit means the later of the following: the date on which the records accounts called for by the audit authorities are made available to them, or the actual institution of audit at the place of business of the taxpayer. Time limit for completion of audit. The audit is required to be completed within 3 months from the date of commencement of audit. The period is extendable for a further period of a maximum of 6 months by the commissioner. How to conduct audit? The proper officer authorized to conduct audit of the records and books of account of the registered person shall, within the assistance of the team of the officers and officials accompanying him, verify the documents on the basis of which the books of accounts are maintained and the returns and statements furnished under the Act and the rules made thereunder, the correctness of the turnover, exemptions and deductions claimed, the rate of tax applied in respect of supply of goods or services or both, the input tax credit availed and utilized, refund claimed, and other relevant issues, and record the observations in his audit notes. During the course of audit, the authorized officer may require the registered person to facilitate the verification of accounts, records available or requisitioned by the authorities, to provide such information as the authorities may require for the conduct of the audit, and to render assistance for timely completion of the audit. प्रॉपर ऑफिसर रजिस्टर्ड पर्सन को डिस्क्रिपेंसीज इन्फॉर्म कर सकता है इफ़ एनी एज ऑब्जर्वेशंस ऑफ द ऑडिट, एंड रजिस्टर्ड पर्सन मे फाइल हिज रिप्लाई एंड प्रॉपर ऑफिसर रजिस्टर्ड पर्सन के रिप्लाई को ध्यान में रखकर ऑडिट फाइंडिंग्स फाइनलाइज करेगा। Finalization of audit. On conclusion of audit, the proper officer shall, within 30 days, inform the registered person whose records are audited about the findings, his rights and obligations, and the reasons for such findings. Where the audit results in detection of tax not paid or short paid or erroneously refunded or input tax credit wrongly availed or utilized, the proper officer may initiate action under section 73 or section 74. Special audit, section 66. When special audit may be directed and from whom? If at any stage of scrutiny, inquiry, investigation, or any other proceedings before any officer not below the rank of Assistant Commissioner, having regard to the nature and complexity of the case and the interest of revenue, is of the opinion that the value has not been correctly declared or the credit availed is not within the normal limits, then the officer not below the rank of assistant commissioner, with the prior approval of the commissioner, issue a direction to the registered person to get his records, including books of accounts, examined and audited by a chartered accountant or a coast accountant as may be nominated by the commissioner and specified in the said direction. The provisions of special audit shall have effect even if the accounts of the registered person have been audited under any other provisions of the GST Act or any other law for the time being in force. Time limit within which audit to be completed. The chartered accountant or coast accountant, as nominated by the commissioner, shall submit a report of such audit duly signed and certified by him within the period of 90 days to the said assistant commissioner, mentioning there such other particulars as may be specified. The assistant commissioner may extend the said period 90 days by a further period of 90 days on an application made to him in this behalf by the registered person or the chartered accountant or coast accountant. The Assistant Commissioner may extend said period 90 days by a further period of 90 days for any material and sufficient reason also. Who will bear the expenses of audit? The expenses of the examination and audit of records, including the remuneration of such chartered accountant or cost accountant, shall be determined and paid by the Commissioner, and such determination shall be final. How special audit report to be dealt with. The registered person shall be given an opportunity of being heard in respect of any material gathered on the basis of special audit which is proposed to be used in any proceedings against him under this act or the rules made thereunder. On conclusion of special audit, the registered person shall be informed of the findings of special audit. Whether special audit results in detection of tax not paid or short paid or erroneously refunded or input tax credit wrongly availed or utilized, the process of demand and recovery will be initiated against the registered person under section 73 or 74. Thank you.